Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GPRO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame finish a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First, I'm going to do is a little house clean and just get rid of that green line right there. Sure, that level still pertains, just not necessarily relevant right now. And from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines and things all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And for those of you, again, that did watch the video from Monday, hopefully you remember me talking about that as a resistance trend line. But with the gap up this morning, that was where the line was broken. So again, according to the rule, when that occurs, you want to see those act as support. And so far, so good. In fact, the power of charts, the price pulled back, and surprise, surprise, look right where the price found support, right at that former area of resistance. So going forward, definitely would be a best case scenario if the price can hold above that trend line there. Now, if the price doesn't hold above it, not the end of the world, because you would still have the opportunity to stay up above that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the very famous 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line is going to move higher and higher. So, and as I've said in past videos, from the general framework point of view, as long as the price remains above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what is being represented. What about levels of resistance going forward? Initial area of resistance, if there is any sort of bounce off this trend line, going to be right up here at $5.60, and then after that you can focus more so up around the 580 mark. However, one hurdle at a time, and like I said, that first key hurdle right now at $5.60. So we'll see what happens with it going forward, but all in all, sure, it did pull back quite a bit today, but taking a step back, you can see that the price is still building and chipping away with those higher bases, and that's what you want to see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.